दरवाजे से दुनिया के राज खुलते हैं, कोई आगे चलता है हम पीछे चलते हैं। दीवारों पे किस्मत अपनी लिखी जाती है, इससे हमको जीने की वजह मिलती जाती है। रोके से ना रुके हम, मर्जी से चले हम, बादल सा गरजे हम, सावन सा बरसे हम, सूरज सा चमके हम, स्कूल चले हम, स्कूल चले हम। ओ, 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 ओ।
Hello, good morning to all of you. Your school is ready for your happy new year. What about you? Please take care, especially during the COVID situation. Take all the precautions, whatever the things are there, whatever the instructions are given to you by your parents, teachers. What about your classes? We are missing you, and I'm sure your classes are going very well. Especially your online classes are going very well. In the next year, we are planning to reopen the school in a big manner. We have planned everything, and whenever the permission comes, whenever the government asks us, the school is ready to open you, the school is ready to welcome you in the new year. How are you celebrating your new year? I'm sure you might be making your greeting cards, meeting friends online, virtual. Hope you all the very best in the new year. Thank you. See you there next year in the classroom, in the school. Bye.
chips out. We are going to make bhel. We want some ingredients to make bhel, like puffed rice, chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, fried peanuts, and fried dal, cotton, 1 tablespoon salt to taste, half tablespoon green chili, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon coriander leaves. We have to mix all ingredients.
Today I am preparing bhel. In this big bowl, take puffed rice, farsan, chopped tomatoes, chopped onion, chopped chili, and coriander leaves. Good evening, sir. My name is Adarsh Khan. Today I will be preparing bhel.
This is
Mix it. And my bhel is prepared. Hello, friends. Today I am preparing a bhel of rice, farsan. My name is Samiksha Wakle. I am singing a song. ऐ वतन वतन, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू। मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन। तू ही मेरी मंजिल है, पहचान तुझी से। तू ही मेरी मंजिल है, पहचान तुझी से। पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू। पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन। तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूँ। तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूँ। कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शान रहे तू। कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू। ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू। मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन। Thank you.
Good morning to all of you gathered here to celebrate the special occasion, the Teachers' Day. It gives me immense pleasure to be here and to talk about the main personality of the day, our very own teachers. Just like every year, this year also we have gathered here to celebrate Teachers' Day. Every year, the 5th of September is celebrated as Teachers' Day in India. The birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan as a teacher, Vice President and second President of India. Dr. Radhakrishnan made an immense contribution to the country. On this special occasion, I wish to convey my best wishes and greeting to all the teachers gathered here, as we know that it is impossible to define teacher, as teachers are not only limited to teaching or guiding students in academic but also helping students to take the right path. They add value to our character and make us ideal citizen of the country. Secondly, teachers are our second parents. Teachers play a prominent role in influencing and inspiring us. Therefore, it is our utmost duty to salute or convey our wishes to teachers today in recognition of their underrated effort. Let us take time to pay honor and admire all their contribution in elevating us. Thank you, teachers, for your invaluable effort and guidance. Thank you.